Creating beautiful blonde hair is a huge part of your business behind the chair, and at Keune, we want to make sure it's easy. That's why we've supplied you with a variety of high-lift tint shades, bleach alternatives, and bleach options, so no matter the canvas that's in your chair, you'll be able to deliver healthy, shiny blonde hair. The Special Blonde series is one of Keune's high-lift blonde options. This series contains 5 intermixable shades. They are designed to achieve 3 to 4 levels of lift on natural hair and can be used with 30 or 40 volume tinted cream developer. The recommended processing time is 30 to 40 minutes and can be used on or off the scalp. For the guests that are looking to blend gray hair, 1032 and 1038 are excellent options. Because of the added warmth, 1032 Beige Blonde is able to blend up to 50% gray hair, and 1038 Hazelnut Blonde up to 90%. The second high-lift blonde option is a Super Ash Blonde series. This series will give you 4 to 5 levels of lift on natural hair and can be used on or off the scalp. The mixing ratio for the Super Ash Blonde series is 1 to 2, 1 part color and 2 parts 30 or 40 volume tinted cream developer. The mixing ratio can be found on the tube of color itself and also on the box. Processing time is 40 to 50 minutes. 1531 Super Amber Blonde can be used to blend up to 90% gray hair. Super Blonde offers a gentle lift with no neutralizing pigments. Tinted 2000 is designed to lift up to 5 levels on natural hair and can also be used on color-treated hair. The mixing ratio is 1 to 1 and can be mixed with 10, 20, 30, or 40 volume. The powder booster packets must be added to get the maximum levels of lift. 1 powder booster packet per 30 milliliters of Tinted 2000. This bleach hybrid is great for highlighting, balayage techniques, as well as on-scalp lightening. As a global brand, Keune has provided 4 lightener options to accommodate for every hair type. From natural dark-haired guests to color-treated hair, maintaining the integrity is Keune's #1 priority. The Ultra Blonde series is an oil-based bleach that is able to achieve up to 6 levels of lift on natural hair and up to 5 levels of lift on color-treated hair. The mixing ratio is 1 to 2, 1 part lightener and 2 parts tinted cream developer. For on-scalp applications, Keune recommends either 10 or 20 volume tinted cream developer, and for off-scalp use, 10, 20, or 30 volume. 40 is possible but not recommended. 3011 Ultra Ash Blonde and 3017 Ultra Ash Violet Blonde are designed to neutralize warmth when lifting. 3025 Ultra Pearl Mahogany Blonde offers a beautiful rose gold finish, and 3000 lifts with no tone. It can be used by itself or with other 3000 series options to dilute the strength of the tonalities. Cream Bleach and Magic Blonde both offer up to 7 levels of lift on natural hair, have a 1 to 1.5 mixing ratio, 1 part lightening powder, and 1.5 parts tinted cream developer. Both can be used on or off the scalp and are great for balayage techniques. Cream Bleach lifts consistent for 50 minutes, where Magic Blonde lifts quicker in the first 20 minutes, then lifts at a controlled speed for the next 30 minutes. New to the Keune Lightener family is the Ultimate Blonde Power Lift Powder. This amazing lightener also mixes 1 to 1.5, has a processing time of up to 50 minutes, and offers up to 8 levels of lift on natural hair, making it great for on-the-scalp lightening and balayage applications. If you're looking to achieve a cool end result with any of our Keune lighteners, a cool booster can be added to your formula. Depending on the desired end result, 1 or 2 cool boosters can be added to neutralize warmth when lifting. Locate the swatch book key to determine where else cool boosters can be added. For more information on the topics in this video, please refer to the back of the Tinted Color swatch book or the Keune Color Manual. For more information or to advance your education with Keune, visit keune.com/NA. To discover more Keune inspiration, connect with us socially on all platforms at Keune and America, #Keune. The technical hotline is available at 1-800-330-9302.